Alright guys, today we're doing a pull rope, or recoil rope, on a stihl BG56C blower. Any of the parts that we use will be in the description below. Rope, handle, I'll see if I can find a whole brand new recoil. Sometimes they've got whole brand new ones of those in there. I'll put it in the description below. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, so this rope is coming apart. It's about to snap. So we're going to go ahead, take this 3 D27 Torx out. It's a stihl tool, has the torque on it. I'll put that in the description below. Take them out. We're going to go ahead and pull the recoil right on off. And that's the part we need. We'll get this blower off that way. Alright. So we don't have to take this apart at all. What we're going to do is we're going to pull the rope and we're going out and we're going to cut it and slowly let this all retract. So alright, so we're going to just pull this out. You see the rope's about to snap right off right there. So we're going to pull it out, cut that off, and then we're just going to hold this because we don't want it to snap back too hard or the spring will come disconnected. We don't want that to happen. So I'm going to give the old rope and get it. We're going to unwrap it. Okay, that's going to be the end of that. Cut it off. Get rid of that. Well, let me get my needle nose. Alright, so we're going to pull this out, just like that. We're going to get our new rope. We're going to light the end of it, just heat up the end of it with a torch. You can use a lighter, pull it to a point. Be careful, it is hot. If you do it quickly like that, it doesn't do anything to you. If you get stuck on your finger, it's just going to burn and suck. What the heck, Robert?
No, I'm not leaking.
Alright, so we're going to stick the rope through here and through here. See how it come right out there? Pull it right on up out. We're going to put a knot, just a simple knot in it. Nothing fancy. Just get a simple knot in there. Get pulled nice and tight. And then we're going to pull it back in. Get that knot to sit inside of here really well. Come on, you're kind of in my way too, Robert.
No.
See if I can't get that to sit in there like that. It's not going to want to sit in there like that. So we're going to cut this. We're going to cut this access off. We don't want this sticking up into the flywheel. It's just going to cause chaos. So just cut that extra whatever off. We'll heat it up. Make sure that it doesn't come loose. Alright. Alright, that's better. Alright. So now we've gotten that. We're going to use our needle nose. We're going to pull some rope out. And we're going to pull this in a clockwise direction. 1, 2 times. Just don't want to do it too much at a time. Pull this back out so that the loop is gone. And then you're going to let it come back in. And then we're going to do it 2 more times. 1, 2. Let it back in again. And we're riding on top of the spool now, so we don't want to go any more than that. So it'd be 4 times total on this one. So now we've gotten to where we know where our handle will go there. So we're going to grab this. We're going to cut it right above your hands. heat up this. Oh, probably should have pulled the rope out of this first. It's just a guess. Alright, we're going to stick this through the handle, tie a simple knot again in it. Get it down into the handle, trim off any of the extras. And there you go. Pause. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this recoil back on now. You get the recoil back on, you're going to take and put the 3 T27 Torx back in place. Tighten them down. Again, the stihl tool that I use, I'll put in the description below. Again, I'm gonna see. I'll put the rope, the handle in the description. They've got rebuild kits for these things. Sometimes they got the whole recoil. I'll try to get that in the description. Stihl tool I used a lot. This one actually is getting worn out. I gotta order a new one myself. I get them on Amazon. I've had this one over a year. It's just, you know, I use it every day. And it's every bolt that you're going to need on this basically is the T27, and then your spark plug socket. And there's a 9/16. Some other stills have applications for that. This one probably won't. Possibly the flywheel. I don't know. All right, guys. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt will be in the description as well. There's all the parts that I mentioned there. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to. Alright guys, have a good one. Peace.